Hey there, it's Simon here. I hope you are well. I just wanted to tell you about a new channel I'm starting up here at YouTube. It's going to be called Aussie Guitar Lessons Weekly. I noticed that there's a whole bunch of you guys who are here purely for the Aussie and Kiwi stuff, and so I thought I would start a dedicated channel to only handle music from Australia and New Zealand. So if you're a fan of that music, go over and check it out. You can just search Aussie Guitar Lessons Weekly and hopefully it should come up. Because it's a brand new channel, I don't have my own tag yet, but you can visit the tag that I will list in the description. So thanks very much for being here at Simon Morel Guitar. I'll continue doing all the lessons and all that other normal stuff here, but when it comes to Aussie things, I'm going to host them over at Aussie Guitar Lessons Weekly. So thanks for watching. I will see you over there. Let's see what we can do, huh? See you over there.